Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make up icons black and white on iPhone 17 Air. So let's start the video. First of all, go to next page. Now here you want to make up icons black and white on app. So click and hold any app you want to black and white. So you will see, click on edit home screen. Now here you will see edit, so click on edit. So click on edit. So you will see second option is customize, so click on customize. So you want to make up icon black and white, so you will see this is black and white icons. So that's how you can make up icons black and white in iPhone 17 Air. Hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.